With a new update, you can now create groups in ChatGPT and chat with your friends. To have this option, make sure that you have updated to the latest version on Play Store or Apple Store. To create groups on ChatGPT, open the app, click on the profile at the top right corner. You'll be greeted with this user interface. It says, use ChatGPT together, add people to your chats to plan, share ideas, and get creative. Now click on Start Group Chat. It's going to automatically create a group for you. You can rename the group if you want. Click on the top right corner at your profile and click on Rename Group. You can name the group whatever you want. From here, you can manage the link, add people, rename the group, and mute notifications. Now, if you want to get people to your ChatGPT group, what you have to do is to click on Invite with link and click on the link. Now, when you take this link and send it to your friends, when they click on it, they are going to automatically join your ChatGPT group.